Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. So my name is Simran. Today I'll be showing you this beautiful painting which is made without brush. Can you believe this? Yeah, it is possible. So let's get started, and don't forget to check our playlist which has different variety of art forms of your choice. You can go through the videos. So material required here will be paper, scotch tape, knives of size 3 and 4, pencil and an eraser, some fine liners, then there are paints. One is scarlet red, brown color, white, crimson lake, and a palette. All the links are in the description, you can go check out. Then let's start taping the edges of the paper with scotch tape. This painting is called impasto painting, meaning it gives a thick paint. This is purely for a beginner who doesn't know what is impasto painting and some fun activity, and someone who wants to paint without brushes. So it's just for fun and like pure a beginner level painting. So I hope you enjoy it. So let's start sketching a basic sketch where a woman is standing holding a gown, and let's start with the oval shape of her head and a bun backside. Yeah, this should be very easy, a basic oval shape and a small circular shape. Then let's go with the neck to reverse C, as you can see. It's funny now. Then start with the shoulders, and don't give lot of details because it's gonna look an abstract look. So this should not have any like hands and all. I'm just gonna leave the arms simply as it is. Then with the body, this is also going to be a very basic not detailed shape. Once you cover up till your waist, and then that should be fine. And then when you draw a gown, it's just going to be a freehand drawing. Just imagine a gown, and it's going to be very easy. Two slant lines on the sides, that should work. So this is the final step which I decided to keep. Later we'll have a details with the fine liners, and for fine liners and all the materials which I've used, you can check the link in description. Then I've added some colors on my palette: brown, scarlet red, titanium white, and crimson lake. So let's start with her body, that is the skin tone which I'm trying to give. Simple it should be. Mix little brown and lot of white together with the palette knife, since we are not using brushes. So yeah, this is the only method to mix. Check the way I'm doing it. Tap with the knife as shown gently with the thick paint. This is what impasto painting is. We have to use the pure, like the thick paint, so that in the final entire painting there is some texture which will look really nice. Then moving on with the hair, here also we are supposed to work with thick paint, that is brown, which I'm trying to give a burnt sienna. So this is all about, and like carefully, because it's a small part, so yeah, you should have quite a little bit patience and then things will work fine. Then start with scarlet red as shown. At the edges it should be rough, because that's how I liked it. I didn't wanted the entire painting, I mean the paint, to be flowy, so it looks really nice, an abstract look. You can see the texture which has come out so beautifully. Then with the earbud, dip it in the water because they are super dry, so I didn't want it that to be very dry, because already we are using thick paint. So dip it in water and then put back into the paint. So here I'm using scarlet red mixed with brown to give a darker color of flowers. And if you want a little lighter, you can also go with little white color mixed into it. And then also I'll be doing crimson flowers. So the overall idea here is like to get different shades of reds in the same tone, I mean the red shade of different types. That's what I'm planning to do. And the movement of my hands to make roses, it's really satisfying. You will really love doing this. Then with the bud, try giving depth to the flowers by adding stripes in the backward portion. So this will change the entire look of the gown. Enjoy the process. Then for the background, I'll be using a black color and gold leaf. The gold leaves are really delicate. If you're using it for the first time, it tears very easily. Again, all the links are in the description, you can go check out. uh, Then with a different bud, the same process, dip it in water and then dip it in the color and give the stripes as shown. Also, you can do it with knife if you are comfortable doing that. This is just for a beginner, but if you are into a level where you can easily do it with a knife, you can go ahead. That's what even I recommend. The thick texture, the only difference is like with the bud, you don't get that thick texture, but you get an abstract look. With the knife, it is like you get a thick texture. After this, you have to start with the gold leaf before the paint gets dried, because that's how the paint acts as an adhesive medium for the gold leaves, as shown. Then repeat the same process of adding gold leaf in the bottom part of the gown so that it's a single background. Now untaping is really satisfying. I hope you liked out with your outcome, with my outcome. And once the paint is been completely dry, you can feel the texture. It is really amazing, and I hoped me making you familiar with impasto paintings. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.